Hi, Aaron here. Now, I know a lot of you have downloaded our cash flow forecasting template on our website, the Excel sheet, and hopefully you've used it to help you with your cash flow planning. But I've also had a lot of questions from people asking me about it and how to use it. So I thought I'd quickly run through this, how to use this. So what I've got here is, let's ignore this, it says 6 months here, but it should be 6 months. What I've got here is a cash flow statement. Okay, now this is looking at the very bad scenario of there's no income for 6 months, okay, in this practice. But then in October, hopefully we open up 25, 35, 40, 45, 45. This is based on a 6-month closure. Now, this means there are no costs at all associated with the business, okay? What I'm assuming here, there are 3 months where the staff are furloughed, but then the chancellor decides they're not going to allow furlough anymore, and you've got a staff cost that you still got to pay for 3 months. Okay, you've still got business rates to pay, but the rent in this example has been delayed. The landlord's allowed you. So there are lots of assumptions in here. But what this is showing you is the cash outflow is 500, 500, 500, 7,200, 7,200, etc. And you start with a bank balance in this example of 20,000. So this balance slowly goes down month by month by the cash outflow that's occurring. And you can see at this point here, you kind of run out of cash and you're down by 3,100. But then hopefully by October, you started to generate cash again. And in this instance, 2,353. So it's cash in, and again, it drops, and then you're hopefully back into a positive territory with a closing balance. Now, obviously, this is a template and it varies. It will vary greatly depending on what actually happens and when we're dental practices are actually allowed to open. Let's assume then, if I take it back, let's assume then this changes. So you can open in 3 months. Let's just quickly do this. I can change the spreadsheet quickly. We can move these back by 3 months. I'll put these at 45,000. So then what this is showing, what's the last one to do is here. What we're showing here is that in this instance, things are even better in this instance of this example, because it doesn't go negative, because income is now starting being generated from July, and the cash flow position is actually starting to rise because it's positive cash flow that's being generated by the business, and this starts to go up over the period of time. Now, this is an example. We've used assumptions of 5% of cost of material of turnover. We've used an assumption of 4% for lab. All assumptions here. But the idea is to show you how powerful a simple tool like a spreadsheet or a cash flow template can be to help you plan your cash. Now, if you need any help, advice around this, get in touch. We'll be delighted to help you, and we'll take it from there. Okay. Take care. All right. Cheers. Thanks.